How to write Urdu in Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can write Urdu in Capcut. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and then you have to just open the project that you want to work on. And once you're on the project, just click this text option over here on the bottom menu, choose text. And now you can see it's going to bring you to this menu, and now you have this list of menu over here. In this menu, choose add text. Once you click add text, you can see it's going to just open your keyboard. And now to write the Urdu text, just change your keyboard. Click this globe sign on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then it's going to just bring up the Urdu keyboard. And now you can just type in any Urdu text over here, like I'm typing. And once you're done, you have to click this option and it's going to take you to the next line, and now you can add more text. And once done, just click the screen anywhere and then click this tick sign, and that's how you write Urdu in Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.